I love going warm places when it's cold here in Connecticut, especially Arizona, because we have a lot of family there too. I garden wherever I go, been doing it all my life. A little bit about our channel. I've been on Earth for 8 generations. We've been cooking, planting, gardening, quilting, doing the arts all of my life. So I went to Arizona in November for my 75th birthday. We had so much fun. So many family members were there. We spent the first week celebrating. The rest of the family left. And then I was there with my brother-in-law, my sister Joanne Stevens, and their baby, Mr. Hershey's daughter, their Shih Tzu named Angel, who's not an angel. So when the family was there, we had a big celebration. We just love being together. Just look, isn't that sweet? So sweet. When they left, I got busy, got all my gardening stuff that I left out there last year when I was there, including my old rusty truck, a memory from when I drove a big old truck across country to live with them in California. I fertilized the beds and got them ready. This is the 100-gallon bed. Look, everything sprouted. I brought the garlic from Connecticut, fresh from a local farm, and planted it. Everything is growing really nicely. Joanne is feeding everything, taking good care of everything. Guess what? It is so beautiful out there. So beautiful. Then I came back to Connecticut, left the garden for Joanne to take care of. Ta-da! Lazy me. And she is now able to harvest from the garden. Just the other day, she harvested celery tops, lots of rosemary, and then she cooked a wonderful creamy chicken dish. Just letting you see everything that's growing. Well, hope you enjoyed this little visit. I don't have anything planted in Connecticut right now. Peace, love, and blessings. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share it out. Peace, love, and blessings. Family is everything. Do what you love and love what you do. Well done, sissy. Keep up the good work. I'll be back in 2024.